What's going on, everyone? Have you been thinking about or looking at the iHaper high-res MP3 audio player? Well, stick around. We've got the unboxing for you right after this amazing intro. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the reviews to help give you an easy choice. Today we're going to be doing an MP3 high-res audio player. It's not something that I use very often, but in certain situations I don't want to take my phone. I do still have an MP3 player. My kids use MP3 players, so they actually are quite prevalent still in today's technology. So I'm kind of excited to use this since I haven't used an MP3 player in a while. I will let you know that they did provide this product. They are not paying me to do the review on it, but they did provide the product, so I do thank iHaper for sending me this product to go ahead and try. This is supposed to be a pretty powerful MP3 player. It's got up to 24-bit decoder rate, which is higher than high-res standards. It's got a dual-core processor, and the signal-to-noise ratio, the SNR, is up to 115 dB, which is said to provide very clear audio. It does support a handful of audio file formats: WAV, WMA, MP3, and quite a bit more. It has an IPS screen, which is said to have less loss. If you look at it from a different angle, it shouldn't have all that color loss that you find on normal LCD screens. It's also supposed to have a great response time to provide snappier and smoother processing of your audio files. It will take about an hour and a half to fully charge this thing, but it's said to have a 20-hour battery life off of a full charge. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, here we go. This is how it comes in the packaging. It does have a hard plastic wrapping on here. We'll go ahead and get that off. And there we have it. Actually, is a little bit smaller than I expected. I did not expect it to be as small as it is. That must be the selection wheel. Oh, and it's got a click feature to it, so that's pretty nice. That must be back, forward, reverse. Looks like we've got USB-C here, a micro SD slot. Comes with an 8 gig micro SD card. We'll go ahead and put that back in there. You've got your audio plug here, your power, a reset. Feels pretty solid. A little heavier than I thought it would be, but still pretty solid. Here's a USB-C to USB-A adapter. I've got an 18-month warranty on this. And an instruction manual. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. Plug it into a computer, drop some files on it, and see how it sounds. Maybe charge it up for a minute, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've connected the iHaper MP3 player, and it does have a couple of sample songs on here. Don't know if I like those or want to keep those, but we'll just leave them in there for now. This one, when I'm on my motorcycle, I like to listen to these ones, so we'll just, since I already have this playlist, we'll go ahead and throw it on there, and we'll see what it sounds like. Okay, now that we've downloaded some music on here, let's go ahead and see what they sound like. Okay, so we did the unboxing, and I actually kind of like it. I've downloaded some music, I've flipped through some of it, and kind of just a simple listen, and the sound is pretty good. I definitely think it's one of the better MP3 players I've ever used. But I will have to test it out. So right now I've got a generic pair of headphones, and I highly think the sound quality is going to depend on which set of headphones you're using. That being said, my initial assessment is I wish that they had this MP3 player in a Bluetooth version so that you don't have to be connected to a cord. They may have one, I'll have to look and see, but as of now, sounds pretty good. I'm not sure if it's worth the money, but I'll go ahead and test it out for a few weeks and I'll see what I think. One other thing I will say is that the menu is pretty smooth. It's pretty easy to navigate, pretty simplistic, and the screen is very nice. It is easy to see at different angles and stuff like that. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my videos, go ahead and click subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you can get the future notifications. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Easy Choice Reviews, as well as Twitter at reviews_easy. And like I said, I appreciate all of you for watching this video and tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.